Now at 5, the Supreme Court takes up a supreme question over the U.S. Census.
And he wants to know who's in this country, and I think as a sovereign nation, we have that right.
Tonight, the legal debate over a citizenship question.
The Trump administration wants the 2020 U.S. Census to include a question about citizenship, but opponents say that could lead to underreporting and a lack of funding for communities across the country. Whatever the Supreme Court decides, it will impact all of us.
Protesters gathered outside the Supreme Court as justices heard 80 minutes of arguments about the Trump administration's plan to add a citizenship question on the 2020 census. U.S. Solicitor General Noel Francisco argued for the government. He said it's reasonable for the question to be included during an exchange with Justice Sonia Sotomayor. Sotomayor said it's not been part of the survey, which is where he reinstated it since 1950. Francisco responded, the secretary acted well within his discretion when he determined that reinstating the citizenship question would provide the best evidence of citizenship. Challengers say the question could lead to millions of people not responding to the census, and that lack of responses could affect how federal money is allocated, as well as how many representatives each state gets in Congress.
So the census is the basic statistical backbone of everything that we do as a country, and we can't afford to get it wrong.
The ACLU's Dale Ho argued for the defendants.
Well, it might not seem like a big thing to you and me, but a lot of people are concerned, and particularly with this administration, that giving out that information could be used against them.
Supporters of the government claim that won't happen.
Well, it doesn't ask you whether you're in the country legally or illegally. It simply asks, are you a U.S. citizen?
The High Court is expected to issue a ruling in June.
3 lower courts have so far blocked the plan to ask every U.S. resident about citizenship in the census, finding that the question would discourage many immigrants from being properly counted.